keep going. Oh, oh, this tiger is very popular among the kids. Roar! 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 This kid is scared of me. He doesn't like me. Roar! Roar! What? Here is a lion's cage. The lion is looking at me. Maybe he thinks a tiger is a little strange today. Roar! 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 It's hot today. I'm getting hot because I'm wearing this skin. Roar! Roar! Oh, this kid has an ice cream. Looks good. Roar! Roar! Hey, boy! Give me your ice cream. Hey, Roar! Give it to me. Mom, this tiger said she wants my ice cream. Don't be stupid. The tiger doesn't eat ice cream. The tiger eats meat. I know. I'm sure he said. Oh, okay. I'll give it to him. Good. Good. Ha 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 ha. Oh no. It's very difficult to eat ice cream with this mask. So big. Hey! Keep Mom, this tiger ate my ice cream. Yeah, strange tiger. Okay, let's go see the lion. Go. Ha ha ha! They are gone. Now it's better to be quiet for a while. Oh, what is that mountain? Bim pam pam pam. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you very much for coming today. Today, we have a very special show for you. Please gather around the tiger's cage. The big fight between the king of savannah and king of jungle. Oh, the big fight between the king of savannah and king of jungle. I want to see that. Anyway, this is the perfect place to enjoy the show. Good. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please come, gather around the tiger's cage. This show is the greatest fight ever. The lion versus the tiger. The lion versus the tiger. Wow! The lion versus the tiger. Tiger? The lion versus the tiger. Come around! Gather around! We will bring the lion's cage here and put the lion into the tiger's cage. I hope you will have an exciting time. Which will win and which will die. die. Here we go. No, no, no way. $100. Ade, it's not good enough for this. I will die every day. No, 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 no. Don't bring the tiger, lion's cage here. No, don't. Wow. Please, please don't open the lion's cage. No. Jump. Coming. Mom, this tiger is scared. Of course, the tiger that eats ice cream is never strong. Oh no, don't. No, coming. Oh, I'm not the tiger. The lion is going to kill me. Help me. Oh God, The cage was open, and the lion came closer to Kidogi. Opened his mouth wide to bite the tiger's head. Then the lion whispered in Kidogi's ear, "Don't worry, it's me, Hasegawa, the manager."